Yo,
Aqui.
how you doing, bro? Good to see you. How you been? Yeah.
Busy.
Oh, dude, yeah, for sure. I'm sure.
Yeah.
It's been a crazy year for you guys.
Aí as memórias. Ei,
Started in what, Q3 of last year, and it's just like, woo!
Yeah.
falar das memórias.
Are you
Foi eu
guys,
que
like, waiting
quero
for it to
falar.
slow down, or is it kind of exciting
Well,
for memory companies right now?
G.Skill.
It gives us a new focus, I guess.
Yeah.
Because before G.Skill was mostly consumer stuff,
Yeah.
and now we're starting to dive into like more of the industrial and server stuff more.
I think I speak for everyone in chat right now when I say we don't like it. We don't like it at all. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
But that doesn't mean you have to like it.
We're still here.
You're still here.
We're still here.
And
we're
do
still
you-
making consumer stuff. It's
Yeah.
just adding on the industrial side.
Right. I mean, it's not
Vamos
your
ver
guys' fault.
se a bolha
Like,
não
you're just, you know what I
rebenta.
mean? It's like
Because
it,
we don't
E
make
depois
the
vem
stuff.
correr.
you didn't.
We package.
Hold
the
on,
stuff
hold on.
together.
Did you guys did G.Skill invent AI? Did G.Skill as a company invent artificial intelligence?
No.
Okay, well then I guess you get a pass. If you said you had a hand in it, if you had a hand in it, it'd be a little different.
Yes,
But
of course.
you're kind of like you guys are sort of a middleman, right?
Yeah.
And so you're sort of being affected in unpredictable ways, just like the end user is.
Yes.
But on that note, we are here to cover some hardware.
Yes.
Is there anything that you guys can show us that doesn't have AI attached to it at all?
We do have. We just announced our
Seven.
Expo stuff with AMD,
Yeah.
which has lower latency.
Okay.
So it would help guys that are using the non-X3D. Well, it does help with the X3D, but
Yeah.
not as much.
Gotcha.
So we have that over there.
Yeah, we'll take a quick look at that. And
Vamos
I'm sure,
ver.
do you have any crazy mods again this year? You guys always have some really good mods.
Always
I'm actually
have
most excited about that, to be honest. But yeah, let's check out this memory.
Deixa eu ver o que é que ele tem.
What's going on over there? If you guys remember at the Cooler Master booth just yesterday, when we stopped by, they had this collaboration with G.Skill doing their Master DIM. This is the Master DIM.
Master DIM.
The Master DIM, the active cooled DDR5 modules that I believe are 64 gig
Yeah.
a piece, up to 64 gig. So yeah, and you've got them on display here, of course, as well. Do you want to take this? You just hold it.
Quando fabricante mundial de memórias
So yeah,
apresenta
so with our
apenas
partnership
uma
with,
memória,
AMD, and we're releasing Expo ULL or
yeah.
ultra latency kits.
Right.
Right now we have like pretty much all of our DDR 6000 latencies tightened further to the ULL spec.
Yeah.
And pretty much before all the Expo stuff, we're only tuning the first 4 timings.
Okay.
But with the new one, you're doing the sub timings as
é
well.
uma pena.
Nice.
So that's where you get the more performance.
For sure.
Yeah.
Was that difficult to do? Did that take you guys a long time to
We have
dial
to
that
work
in?
with AMD to
Yeah.
like see what's compatible across
Para
majority
ver
of the
o
CPUs.
preço das memórias.
It's kind of like memory tuning, so it's like, oh, this yield is this much, oh, this yield is that much.
Yeah.
This gives that much performance or whatnot.
Sure.
So
Kind of
it's
seeing-
a lot of back and forth.
Seeing like how much performance gained is worth the trade-offs,
Yeah.
right? Especially while maintaining stability.
Exactly,
the entire time.
because with overclocking, it doesn't apply to all CPUs. Like
Exactly.
some CPUs are a bit weaker,
Right.
some are stronger.
Right.
So we had to adjust that accordingly.
Não
Kind of
vão
find
vender
the lowest
nada
common
destas
denominator,
memórias.
right?
Yes.
You have to find the straggler. You're like,
Yes.
all right, you got to, as long as it's
That
good
guy's
enough.
not working, so
exactly.
let's loosen it up a
Right.
little bit.
Right.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we have CL26, we have CL28,
That's
CL30, and then the Samsung CL36s as well.
And that's for 6,000 speed and up. You said.
Right now, because with the new ULL stuff, the validation is a lot stricter.
Yeah.
So pretty much we have to send all of our specs to AMD to get verified,
Sure.
so we can have this badge.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
yeah.
Nice.
So yeah.
Is it a limited production run at all,
2026,
or- no,
mostrar
it's not,
apenas memórias 6000 é uma vergonha.
It's pretty much like go along with the previous Expo stuff.
Yeah.
But if you want more performance, you kind of let's say if you want more performance through like one clicking through BIOS,
Yeah.
then you have to go with like this.
Gotcha. What would you say from your guys' testing, if you have the numbers off the top of your head, like what kind of performance gains can you actually see, like percentage-wise, from having ultra low latency DDR5?
Well, we do have
Aha.
the charts here.
What a segue.
Pretty much, CL36 is roughly the same as previous. I believe it's CL30.
Okay. Oh wow,
yeah.
nice. Sweet.
So you see the latency differences here.
Solid. Yeah.
Yeah. And then if you look at
Suck.
pretty much across the board, the most gains on it is the minimum FPSs from our experience.
The frame times.
Yes,
Those
'cause-
1% lows.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Which just makes the game feel
Smoother. Yeah.
a lot more
makes the
buttery.
game, yeah, exactly.
Average
the game
FPS is
experience.
just
Yeah.
half the story. So
Yeah.
Dizer
being
que
being able to minimize
o
the
30
gap between your average
antigamente
and your 1%
é o
low
mesmo do
is
36
huge.
agora. Não, a questão é que vocês não têm
Yeah,
30
look at
para
that,
vender.
Average
Ninguém as
FPS.
compra.
That's versus JDeck.
Oh, this
yeah.
is versus JDeck.
Yeah.
All right, that's pretty solid. Very cool. Nice, man.
Yeah.
All right.
And we're releasing we're showing off a couple of new memory kits.
Okay.
Over here is our highest memory frequency.
Yeah.
Esta sim.
10933. Very fast.
10,933 mega transfers per second.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you don't have those sticks like chained to the PC
I know.
with like a bunch of guards around it holding M14.
Well, we have a
rifles.
lot of bodyguards standing around
I
us.
hope so. Yeah, you definitely should.
Yeah.
Making me nervous. Jesus.
Quanto é que
I don't
custa,
even want to
né?
know how much that costs.
Yeah.
That's
And then
bananas.
we're showing off also like new ICs as well.
Yeah.
Nem
And
disse,
pretty much
guys.
this is the next standard, JDeck standard.
Yeah.
On
Wow.
8,000 frequency ICs.
9,200. Wow.
Yeah.
That's wild. CL74.
Gostava de ver as novas memórias.
Did you guys catch that? I don't want to glaze over this, but they literally have bodyguard security watching over the ramp. Yeah. Did you get that on camera? Did you see it? Okay, I just want to make sure. It's the first time in history I think I've ever seen that at a convention. I've been doing this 10 plus years. Never seen actual bodyguards for the ramp.
These RAM are like priceless.
they are literally priceless.
É, pois é.
Did you just sell one stick to afford this entire booth here? Like,
No, not that much.
Bananas.
Not yet.
not yet, dude. Oh,
Hopefully
dude.
never like
don't,
that.
Don't even mess with us right now. We've been through enough.
Yeah, we're also partnering with Intel to show off 128 gigabyte modules
Okay.
on consumer boards.
Absolutely ridiculous.
So, yeah, if you
Aquelas
guys need
memórias devem custar uma
capacity
pipa
kits,
de
those
massa.
are coming in the future.
Yeah. Calling us poor in many languages right now, Way.
Aside from that,
Yeah, no.
there's still people that need the capacity.
Yes,
even though
yes,
in
there
these
are.
very dire times.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. For the two people that can afford it, yes,
Yes.
they absolutely should. Look no further.
Yes. And then over on the other side, it's all RDIMM stuff.
Oh, Artem.
Yes. These are the new 96 gigabyte modules.
96 gig modules. These are RDIMMs. You want to explain what RDIMMs are real quick to chat?
So pretty much RDIMMs are the workstation and server modules.
Right.
They're not compatible with the consumer stuff.
Yeah.
But because they have other components on the module that works for server grade.
Essas também devem ser baratas.
Are they generally a bit more, I guess, what's the term? Reliable, like reliability a bit?
Yeah,
it's
because
more of a
for
workstation?
RDIMM they have a clock driver in
Okay.
it, so it helped that, and plus it has was it EC4
Yeah.
ECC?
Error correction? Yeah, absolutely.
So that together with the whole platform, it does make it a lot more stable.
Got it. Even pricier than the consumer grade.
Yeah, because
stuff.
each bank has one more IC.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Damn. All right.
Yeah.
RD. What else we got? Oh, excuse me.
So yeah, it's just pretty much more RDIMM stuff.
Cool.
A lot more RDIMM stuff.
Been very popular this year.
Yeah.
A lot of workstations.
And then ECUDIMM is going to come out as well.
Okay.
So consumer grade, ECC pretty much.
Gotcha. Yeah. A little home lab or something.
Yeah.
Cool.
And I guess we can walk over to the modding stuff.
Yeah, let's do it. At least we can just appreciate that and not cry. Not UCC. What the hell is this?
Já está.
All right.
Não.
So we have the classic beer machine now.
The what? Oh, the beer machine.
Beer machine,
As
very classic.
always, yes, you got to have a beer machine every year, right?
We do, yeah.
It's kind of become an expectation at this point.
I know.
And this is like, this is it right here.
This is it.
Wow, and this is the modder.
KM Studio from Taiwan.
KM Studio
Yeah.
from right here in Taiwan. Nice lion.
You need a beer?
You know what? I'm good. I woke up hungover as hell this morning.
Oh, no.
I'm not gonna have one until later tonight, probably.
All
But thank you. I appreciate the
Yeah.
offer.
And I'm
Wait.
guessing, you know.
Actually, just you know what? I take it back a little bit because just for the stream, it'd be fun to like see how it. Does it actually come out of the PC
It comes out of the mouth.
and it's drinkable?
Ui.
Yes.
Can we-
Sério?
All right, maybe we can just see that for the stream.
All right, hold on. Let me
Alright, cool.
see if I can get.
I don't really
No,
need it
yeah,
right
that's-
now, but I do want to see it. I do want to see beer dispensed out of a custom modded PC. That I do want to see.
Vai estragar o PC. Se aquilo-
Okay.
Ah,
So he's got a little button that he's pressing there, and then not on the GPU. They got a guard. Look at that. Wow.
Meu
that,
Deus. Quem foi
that
que
design could
teve
have
esta
gone a lot of
brilhante
different ways,
ideia?
couldn't it? All right, just
Ai.
you. Wow, look at that. PC.
Vais ver
I don't
isso?
think you need a cup. You could just get it straight from the mouth.
E caiu ali, olha, caiu ali em cima do
Lady
coisa.
and the Tramp, you know,
Yeah.
little Lady and the Tramp action. I get too hot and heavy over here, me and the lion. Let's taste this PC beer and see if I
Não
regret it.
acredito.
It actually just tastes like normal beer. I thought it was going to taste like copper piping or something.
No,
The nickel-plated.
Not very hygienic.
Yeah. It's been brewed with thermal paste. Thermal Grizzly IPA. Not too shabby. Cool. That's pretty cool. I can get behind that.
And then we have a couple builds like Scatterventure from YouTube.
Okay, Scatterventure. Oh, that's cool. I'm really loving the analog meters.
Yeah,
The
meters,
analog.
yeah,
Those
yeah.
are really cool. Very nice. Yeah, that's a hell of a bench. Test bench right there. Nice.
And then like a build from GGF.
Wow.
Very clean, all white build.
GGF, some of the best mods, man.
Yeah,
Everything he does,
Super clean.
I always give it a second look.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
yeah.
I just got to do a double take. Like, that is really freaking good. The guy's got some talent.
I mean, he powder coated the whole thing. It used to be satin
Oh, the
titanium,
case.
right?
Right.
Because this is from EK.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right.
So they had their satin titanium finish.
Yes.
But he was like, I didn't like that.
Yeah.
So he's powder coated
Yeah.
the whole thing.
Beautiful. Did EK have a hand in, like, commissioning him for the build, or?
I think he got this when this was back in like a couple years ago.
Oh, okay.
Or before the whole thing.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I was gonna say, hopefully they didn't commission him. Probably still waiting on.
or haven't convinced him.
Probably still waiting on that paycheck.
But apparently the old was it Mark Tanko is now on CEO.
Yes. Right.
So it could
I
be
wish
a,
them well.
Yeah.
We wish them well. We
Yeah.
really do want to see them turn it around.
É, devias ter
Absolutely,
visto o
because
vídeo do
they were the best.
Jason
Yeah.
Santos a falar com ele.
And another here's a tire mod,
A wheel.
a wheel mod.
Yes. Wow. And it spins. I feel like there's a missed opportunity to put a spinner. There should have been a spinner on it. But then everyone would be touching it.
Exactly.
That
Yeah.
would probably-
That mod would not last.
Myself included. Now this is insane. What unhinged mind. Is this a PC
Olha, há
tech
bocado eu
build?
falei que caixas cor-de-rosa antes.
What's that? Wow, look at that.
Very young.
Tech lid mod. Wow.
They were featured
duo.
last year. Yeah.
Não é? Foram estas
That's
que
actually
fizeram
insane.
isto.
They custom made all this, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
How? 3D print? What is that?
Mostly.
Wow. That is truly
Vês? Fizeram esta caixa.
truly professional grade. Are they based here in Taiwan as well?
E aí para o
Damn.
Isaki.
And they're actually
Isaac
all
AMD.
Taiwanese. They're not local.
Tens aí o PC que eu falei há bocado, cor-de-rosa.
I mean, I generally don't really
Feita
care
por
too much
duas
for this
miúdas.
aesthetic. It's not my taste.
It's not my taste either.
Bom,
but
eles que
I
montaram,
can feel that some people
criaram a
like it.
caixa.
One of the more eye-catching PCs, like modded PCs that I've seen at the show
Yeah.
so far today, and that's really cool. Don't show my girlfriend this; she's gonna want one.
Yeah,
There's
I'm
only
sure.
one in the world, so that's it's gonna be really hard
very
to please
expensive.
her. Yes.
With the memory.
Yeah, with the memory, yeah. Dude, if I get that for her, it's BYO RAM all the way.
BYO RAM.
100%. Sorry, babe.
Este
No more
também está
budget.
diferente.
Then we got
Motor
we got
cafe.
a shark.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, watch it there. That's a little tight. Okay.
A lot of
you
servos.
can get in there, Aaron. A lot of circles.
Servos.
Oh, servos.
This is a moving part, right?
Right. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. You got the tail. You got even the little the gear on the right, on the side of him. That's really cool. Little hammerhead. I dig it. Very cool. Wait, where are the tubes on that that water block?
So
coming
this
from?
is Monty Cafe, the creator of the tubeless CPU block.
Oh, gotcha.
So pretty much the pipes are where the mounting hole is.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So if you look
Sounds like a
into it,
pizza.
you don't see any tubes.
Right.
Which is it could be a good thing. It's aesthetically
Can
wise.
we just take a look at that, Aaron, really quick?
Yeah.
So sorry. The water block. The big rectangular thing in the middle. I have not seen that before. That's pretty cool. Awesome.
You want to reach out to him? I can get you in contact with the guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me, actually, I'll hit you up about that.
Eles
I'll
já são
look into that and see if there's a cool
bem
build I can do with
diferentes.
it. I already have some ideas. But I have a lot of ideas, and I very rarely follow through with all of them. But yeah. Get in
It's
touch.
enorme.
This is an alien, WMP.
This is from the Matrix.
I was going to say, this looks very Matrixy. It is a Sentinel.
Based on the Matrix.
Dear Lord.
Yeah.
That's
pretty
crazy.
crazy. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, to be honest.
Oh, really? I'm sure you saw like photos of it before.
Yeah.
Everyone thought it was.
It was more than 3D rendering. Yeah.
I think when we were at Cooler Master, they said the same thing about a certain modded PC because it was modded after like a figurine, like a I don't know, some kind of like pop figurine, and then they thought it was pretty small, and then they got the shipment order, and they saw the weight was like 170 kilos or
Right,
something. They're like, holy shit, this thing's massive. Yeah, that's really
Hey,
good.
no.
And for scale, really quick. I don't want to touch it because it looks very fragile, but that's my hand. It probably doesn't do it justice, but this thing must weigh 200 pounds. Crazy. And then that is making a lot of noise.
Yeah.
So
that's our liquid cooling machine.
Okay. Oh, liquid cooling.
Oh, sorry.
LN2.
LN2
LN2.
cooling.
LN2,
Yeah.
of course. You can actually see all of the crusted frost at the bottom, just underneath it, because that's where it's ejecting all the LN2 gas. That's insane. Is the launch button actually functional?
If I remember correctly, it does.
Can I hit it?
Go ahead.
It's a big red button.
Red button.
I'm tempted to see, but
Goes
it's already spitting things out, so I don't know what more this would. Okay, well, what if you hold it down? All right, that's it. That's it for me. Show myself out, everyone. That's insane. Can we take a look inside of it? Can we look inside? That's actually way crazier. That's the craziest. Look at all that frost. Unreal. It's amazing how cool that little Noctua fan. That little Noctua fan in the corner. It's just incredible. Can you even see anything? You'd see anything. Wow. I'm sorry, guys. The glare is quite significant. But I guarantee you it's really cool in there.
Non è per qualche
Beautiful.
qualche
That
caso.
was awesome.
E sono mai per non cadere.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
Dude.
the best thing for this year for us would be the Expo partnership for sure.
Yeah, nice. Okay, this is an odd request, but at CES, I walked around with a G.Skill. Well, I had the RAM necklace too, but for our microphone, we actually had it clipped to another DIM.
Oh, okay.
But we can't afford it this year. So I was wondering, do you have like a spare DIM? It could be like a 1 gig or something cheap. I could borrow. I maybe bring it back tomorrow.
Okay. Let me double check.
Even better if it doesn't have a heatsink. If there's no heatsink, then it can clip easier.
Right.
And it's free product placement because it'll be in the camera on the
No
stream.
heatsink though, right?
No heatsink.
All right, let me find out.
But if it
Let's
has a
encontro.
sticker on a G.Skill, it could still have a G.Skill sticker on it.
Let me find something similar to that.
Okay.
All right.
Let me know.
Ah, o que ela arranja?
So if we can get a stick of RAM for our microphone, it would actually help us because the presenters have a tendency to move the mic further away. But the stick is gonna be nice. Move over there.
Espero que não lhes dê uma memória cara, cara.
You see.
Ah, é.
Holy moly. That's insane. Yeah, he is a very cool dude. We go way back, and he's awesome. He's always supported me. I will say G.Skill and Way, they have supported me more than any memory company when it comes to RAM sampling.
Pronto, se fez isso pelo teu canal, acho que
memory companies that
tens que dar os parabéns.
For builds and content and things like that, like fun stuff that we usually use RAM for. But G.Skill has been they've been a real one for sure.
Já vê?
Seriously?
Olha.
Dude, you're the man. We will return this. We can return it. No problem. Amazing. There's no G.Skill branding we can put on it, unfortunately. You don't have a G.Skill sticker?
No, not
Eu
yet.
queria fazer publicidade.
Oh, that would be sick. Maybe we'll find one. If I find a G.Skill badge at another booth, I'm gonna steal it.
Maybe print it on here and then put it on there.
Yeah, instead of GGI, I'll just put a little G.Skill. If I find another badge on some other case at the show floor, I am gonna steal it and put it on this or this. Dude, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you as well.
Ways the one,
É,
dude.
muito bem, muito bem.
Hell yeah.
Gostava que ele me dissesse qual era.
G.Skill
Kit.
rules. I told you guys. Always support.
Olha,
Beautiful.
memória a fazer de microfone. Ok? Muito obrigado, continuação e até uma próxima. Ui.